Hello, good morning, good morning. Now, dear children, see the question of NCERT question number 16. What is that? At page number 159. At page number 159, we are having a question that is a very important question, even I can say. What is that? Read that. Here, an object of mass m, an object, what are the things given to us? Write down here, an object of mass m is moving with a velocity v. Suppose this is the object of mass m moving with a velocity v. How much work should be done on the object in order to bring the object to rest? ये हम लोगों से पूछ रहा है, how much work should be done? We know, my dear children, the kinetic energy of the object. I know very well.
So half mv square.
Yes. What is
So
the
half
kinetic
mv
energy of the
square.
object?
Half
So 1
of
by 2
1.
mv square.
Very good, very good. Are Suman, Disha, you are replying, right? So लिखिए, initial kinetic energy of the object is half mv square. That is 1 by 2 mv square. When the object comes to rest, this is the initial kinetic energy. Ki कर दीजिए इसको. When the object comes to rest, जब हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट रेस्ट पर रहता है, when the object comes to rest, final kinetic energy, that is EKF, that is 0. फाइनल काइनेटिक एनर्जी 0 हो गया, इनिशियल काइनेटिक एनर्जी 1 by 2 mv square हो गया. तो वर्क डन ऑन द ऑब्जेक्ट, we know the formula, work done on the object, that is change in the kinetic energy of the object. Work done on the object, that is change in the kinetic energy of the object, that is 1 by 2 mv square. लिख लो. The work done, that is change in the kinetic energy, that is 1 by 2 mv square minus 0. तो आंसर हो जाएगा हमारा 1 by 2 mv square.
So 1 by 2 mv square.
वेरी गुड. लिख लो बच्चों. See now next question. ये लिख लीजिए पहले. Then we are going to solve another question. Now, what is that? Question number 17. Calculate the work required to done to stop a car of 1500 kg. आप लोगों को बच्चों मास ऑफ द कार दिया हुआ है, that is 1500 kg. लिखिए. Moving at a speed of 60 km per hour. स्पीड दी हुई है 60 km per hour. The initial point, जो वेलोसिटी दी हुई है u 60 km per hour, इसको आप मीटर पर सेकंड में चेंज करिए, मल्टीप्लाइड इट बाय 5 by 18. when you want to change kilometer per hour into meter per second, you have to multiply it.
50 by
Yes, 5 by
So
18.
50 by 3.
50 by 3 meter per second.
वेरी गुड. तो लिख लो यहां पर 50 by 3. That is in meter per second. Here. लिखो. This is the kinetic energy here. Now, the initial kinetic energy of the car. The initial kinetic energy of the car, that is 1 by 2 mv square, that is 1 by 2 m की जगह रखिए 1500 और वेलोसिटी आपकी है 50 by 3. ये initial kinetic energy of the car. So I can say, जब आप इसको सॉल्व करेंगे लगभग ये आ रहा है 208,333. लगभग इतना आएगा आपके पास. सॉल्व करिए, देखें. सॉल्व इट वेदर यू आर गेटिंग और नॉट. सॉल्व दिस माय डियर चिल्ड्रन.
Yes,
That is
sir.
208,333. Final kinetic
So
energy
0.3
car
joule.
when that is stopped. The final kinetic energy is again 0. Final kinetic energy of the car is again 0. Change in the kinetic energy of the car, difference of these two, that is equal to work done. Same 203,333 something जो भी आ रहा है लिख लेना. That is in joule. This comes out in joule.
Sir, 2.20.8 into 10 to the power 4.
हाँ, जो भी आपके आ रहा है बेटा लिख लीजिए.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is the work done to stop the car. That is the change in the kinetic energy that we have done. Now, see the next question figure in your book. Yes. Now, my dear children, here are the three different figures given in question number 18. There are three blocks. Here is the first block in which force and displacement are perpendicular to each other. Here is the force and here is the displacement. In the second case, force and here is the displacement. Same direction. And in the third case, here is the force and here is the displacement. These are the different situations given in our book. Draw these figures. Here we are given three different cases. Three different situations are here. Here you can see the direction of the displacement from west to east. In which case, what is the work done? It is the positive work done, negative work done, or zero work done. So I can say, my dear
it's
children,
zero.
in the first case, direction of force and displacement both are perpendicular to each other. When force and displacement are perpendicular to each other, here, so no displacement in the direction of force. Here is no displacement in the direction of force. So what I can say, when there is no displacement in the direction of force, so work done is zero. So Akshita Bapna, so work done is zero. Now, in the second case, direction of force and displacement both are in the same direction. Direction of force and displacement both are in the same direction. So we can say the work done is positive. Here the work done is positive. And in the third case, force acts in the direction opposite to the displacement. यानी कि हम फोर्स लगा रहे हैं, कार चला रहे हैं, ब्रेक लगाया, फोर्स लगाया इन द फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन, इन कार रुक रही है पीछे की तरफ. So this is the negative work done. Here it is the negative work done. These are the different situations when the direction of force and displacement both are in opposite direction. That is called negative work done. Then see the next question, that is, Sony says that acceleration in an object could be zero even when several forces are acting on it. आप कुछ फोर्स लगा रहे हैं फिर भी acceleration is zero. Are you agree with her? क्या आप उसकी बात से सहमत हैं? We
Yes,
can
sir.
discuss. The acceleration of an object can be zero if several forces are acting on it, provided the resultant force is zero. जैसे फोर्स अगर जीरो है हमारे पास, सपोज F is zero, जब फोर्स जीरो है तो MA that is zero, but M is not equal to zero. M कभी जीरो नहीं हो सकता. So I can say acceleration is zero here. The acceleration of an object can be zero even if several forces are acting on it. So this is the answer here. Then
Sir, this happens when all the forces cancel out each other.
yes. So in the next question, find the energy in kilowatt hour. Find the energy in kilowatt hour consumed in 10 hours. Consumed in 10 hours by 4 devices of power 500 watt each. आपके पास 4 डिवाइस है 500 वाट की, and you are using for 10 hours. तो ये कह रहा है टोटल पावर ऑफ द 4 डिवाइसेस, टोटल पावर ऑफ द 4 डिवाइसेस is 2000 watt आ गया. Here is the 4 devices we are using, that is 2 kilowatt. That is 2 kilowatt. Time for which the device are operated 10 hours. So I can write W is equal to P into T. That is 2 into 10. 2 kilowatt into 10 hour. 2 kilowatt into 10 hour. So I can say 20 kilowatt hour. 20 kilowatt hour, that is 20 unit. This is the answer. 20 unit. 20 kilowatt hour. We can write here. I can say 20 kilowatt hour, that is 20 unit. Write down. This is there. 20 kilowatt hour, that is 20 unit. And last but not least question, see that question number 20. पहले इसको उतार लीजिए आप. Now last question. Yes. A freely falling object. See the question number 21. A freely falling object eventually stops on reaching the ground. Here is a freely falling object. When reaching the ground, stops. Here. What happens to its kinetic energy? जब हम ऊपर से छोड़ रहे हैं, so we are seeing that initial kinetic energy is there. Kinetic energy appears in the form of first heat. That is, the body and the ground become warmer. Body and the ground becomes warmer due to the collisions. तो kinetic energy किसमें change होगी? Heat energy में. Second one is sound. Produced due to the collision between the body with the ground, sound is produced. So kinetic energy, some part of it converts into heat energy, and some part of it convert into sound energy. And third, the potential energy of the configuration. Third one is potential energy of configuration. Here. Of the body and the ground. So this process in which the kinetic energy, of the freely falling body, the kinetic energy of the freely falling body is lost in an unproductive chain of energy. Changes, that is called dissipation of energy. उसको हम लोग कहेंगे बच्चों dissipation of energy. That changes are in other form of energy. That is called dissipation of energy. So yes, my dear children, Aditi Ladda.
Yes, sir.
Send me the attendance, beta.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you have any kind of problem, then ask. Otherwise, our part is over. Tomorrow is the discussion day for you. You may ask any question regarding this chapter. Revise the chapter today and we will do. Okay, bye. Any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Bye.